Welcome to session number 21 of the Word Power Made Easy. We are going to discuss about the origin and related words. Now we are going to continue with the words related to action, and there are words which we already discussed, but now we are going to discuss little more words which is coming from the same root word. For example, equity. Equity is actually coming from the Latin word. The word Latin means it is a different language, but then many English word is coming from the language like Latin and Greek. So equal in Latin, it is coming from the word eques. Eques means equal. Now remember the word AEQWS. AEQWS. Equus means equal. Equal in justice, fairness, or equal treatment. Inequity. Inequity means injustice, unfairness, or not equal. Adjectives of inequity is inequitable. And the word equinox. Here the equinox, nox means night. Equal night. It means equinox means when day and night are of equal length. So it happens twice in a year, on March 21st and September 22nd. During these 2 days there is an equal hours of day and night. So that day, March 21st and September 22nd, is known as equinox. Means day and night are of the same length. Nocturnal. Noc is coming from the word nox. Nox means night, and nocturnal means describing the people, animal, or plant. They are active during the night. So somebody is very active during the night. There are plant. For example, in India there is a Ratrani. So the flower blossoms during the night. So it is activate in night. So that is called nocturnal. For example, cats and owls are nocturnal. A nocturnal is a musical composition of a dreamy character, night music, or a painting of night scene. Equanimity. Equanimity. Equa means equal, and amos. Amos means animal or mind. So when two persons are of equal mind, means, let's say, when a person has an equal mind during sadness and happiness. So you know, it is in India it is known as yoga avastha. Means somebody is not touched by the sadness or the negative side of the life and not very happy during the good side of the life. So you can say equanimity. It's calm and composed. When you are surrounded by oppositions and adverse situation, you keep an equanimous mind. Equanimous. It is known as placidity. So equanimous mind means equal mind during the odd times. Equalability. Now equilibrium. Equal we know, same, and Libra. It is a sun sign, Libra. There is a balance. There is a balance. So this is the sign of Libra, and we know this balance. So balance means equal. So when the two sides are of equal, then we can say equilibrium means equal balance. Equator. So earth, when divide the earth exactly in the middle and both the part, then it is known as equator. Not to be confused with the horses. Equestrian. Equestrians means someone on a horse. Equestrian means woman on the horse. And the word equine. 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 Equine means horse-like. So equestrian, it is an adjective referring to horse riding. Now voice. Equivocal. EQ means equal and vocal means voice. Equal voice. So if somebody is vocalized, it means he is going to give his voice. And vocalist is used for the singer. So there is a big company called Magnavox. Magna means Magnus, Magnus means large, and Vox means voice. So trade name of a brand, radio and TC sets. Now from these particular root words, prefix or suffix, we have to decide what are the English words which are very near to this root word. So let's say equus. Equus means equal, so you can say equivocal. Then if we are adding in, then it becomes negative, so inequity. Nox means night, so you can say nocturnal, means somebody or something which is active during the night. Animus means equanimous. Means equal mind, means somebody is calm and composed during the odd. Equality. Libra means something related to balance. When balance are same, it is not. Equilibrium. IST. Pediatrics. Side. Equilateral. Equus means horse, so you can say equestrian. INE. Pedestrian. Pedestrian. Pedos. Pediatrist. Voice, so you can say it is Magnavox. Factory. TORY. And Magna means Magna means large. Magna. Now we are going to match the words. Here is a word and here is a meaning, and we need to match the words. So let's say equity. Equity means fairness or justice, so this is 1. Second word is inequity. Inequity means unfairness or injustice, so 2. Number 3, inequality means unfairness or injustice. Inequity means something which is not equal. Okay. Equinox. Time when night and day are of equal length, so it is known as equinox. Nocturne means night music, because nox means night. Equilibrium equanimity means balance of mind, composers, so it is 6. Equanimity, calmness during the odds. Equilibrium means Equilibrium means balance, especially between the opposing forces. Equestrian means somebody is riding on the horse. So equestrian, horse rider. Equestrian, horse rider. Equilibrist means it is something related to balanced mind. Equine means horse, and vocalist means singer. Next, here is a word and here is a description. You have to match with the words with the descriptions given in the second table. So equitable means something fair and just. Inequitable means something which is unfair and unjust. So this is 2. 3. Iniquitous means sinful, wicked, immoral. So this is iniquitous, which is sinful, wicked or immoral. Paji, we can say, very paji. Equinoctial, description of the time when the night and day are of equal length. Then equinoctial. 4. Nocturnal, referring or pertaining to active at night like cat and owl. So this is 6. Nocturnal. 5. Equable means equilateral means having equal sides. Equilateral. Vociferous means noisy, loud and clamorous. And vocalize means using or referring to the voice, frail voice. Vocalize. Now is life, here is a statement, and depending upon the blue word in italic, we have to decide whether it is a correct statement or incorrect statement. If it is a correct statement, you have to tick on yes. If it is an incorrect statement, depending upon this word, you have to tick no. Is life always equitable? Life is always equitable? I think life is never equitable. No. Does a cynic expects more inequality than equity in life? Yes. Cynic means somebody who is doubting. Do ethical people practice inequality? No. Does equinox occurs once a month? No. It happens twice a year. 21st March and 22nd September. Are nocturnal animals active at night? Yes. If you generally preserve your equanimity, do you often get very excited? Equanimity means cool, calmness. So no. It is easy to maintain your equilibrium on an icy ground? No. On icy ground it is slippery. So you slip. You cannot keep a balance. If equability, the mark of the calm, even tempered person? Yes. Does equilateral triangle have equal side? Yes. Is an equine a dog? Equine is never a dog. Equine means a horse. So no. If you demand something vociferously, do you make a lot of noise? Yes. If you are vocal, do you have a difficulty expressing yourself? No. Vocal means you express your demand. So no. Is vocalist the same as an instrumentalist? Vocalist means a singer. So no. Here is the meaning, and you have to find out the relevant word. So first one is to voice, to express aloud, to sing, means you are vocalize. tightrope walker, equilibrist, equilibrist means a person who is tightrope walker. Active or flourish at night, nocturnal. Descriptive or characteristics of a like horse, equine, horse like, referring to the voice, skillful or fluent in expressing voice, means somebody who is vocal. Calm and unflappable in treatment, equable. Wicked, sinful, iniquitous. Music at night, nocturne, fairness, justice, equality. Here again there is a meaning, or the words is already been given in a description, and you have to find out the relevant word. So lousy, noisy and clamorous, it is known as vociferous. Persons on the horse, equestrian, equestrian, equestrian. Calmness or evenness of temper, equanimity, equal plus enmity. Unfair, unfair means inequitability, inequitable. Sin, wickedness, grossly immoral behavior, iniquity. Time when day and night are of equal length, so equinox, nox means night. Fair, just, even headed, equitable. Physical balance, balance between opposing forces, is equilibrium. Equal plus libra, libra means bradium. Having equal side, equilateral. When there is a side, it is known as a lateral, equilateral. Singer means vocalist. So here we are ending the chapter number 21, session number 21. I am going to put the PDF in a description box. You have to watch the video and fill up the PDF, and then you have to match the answers which is given already in the below of each exercise. And if the answers are matching, you are doing great. If it is not matching, you redo the exercise, and that is the way you have to master the topic. See you again in session number 22. Bye bye.